Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a local recipe called Okpa. Okpa is made from Bambara nuts. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make it. Okpa is an Igbo delicacy, mostly eaten in the eastern part of Nigeria. So stick around so that you are going to see how it is locally prepared. Thanks once again for joining. Let's get started. So this is the okpa, also known as Bambara nut. It is dried and grinded into a powdered form. Now I'm going to shift it in case there's any lump or dirt. After that, I'm going to create a hole and add in good amount of palm oil to make the color pop out so well. With a wooden spatula, I'm going to give that a thorough mix to make sure the oil and the okpa is well combined. So this is the look of it after thorough mixing. Now I'm going to add in hot water and mix. Please, before you start cooking, make sure you boil your hot water and set aside. You must not use cold water to mix it. So I'm going to continue mixing until all the lumps dissolve. And the water, you must not put it at once. You have to put it in beads, because you do not want it to be over mixed with water. It must not be too watery, so you have to put it gradually. You must take your time to mix it thoroughly in order to achieve a very smooth consistency. So if you want to achieve a perfect okpa, you need to be patient and mix it very well to make sure that all the lumps dissolve. This is the consistency you should look out for. When you raise up your spatula, it must not show, as in the spatula must not show. It should still be covered with the paste. And you can only use 2 ingredients to cook this okpa, that is salt and pepper. You can use fresh pepper or dry pepper. You must not use seasoning powder, crayfish or onion. These are the only 2 ingredients that you must use to cook the real local okpa. After mixing, I'm going to set that aside to get ready for packaging. So I'm going to use this nylon bag to scoop in the okpa. Locally, you can use banana leaves, but where I am, there's no banana leaves. So I'm going to be using this nylon, and I'll be using this thread to tie it around so that it does not pour out. Now watch me to see how I'm going to tie the okpa. Mind you, when you are cooking okpa, you can use the nylon bag or banana leaves. And when you are using the nylon bag, to prevent any spillage, you have to double it, as in you have to use 2 nylon bags together so that it does not burst easily when cooking. Please, before you start tying it, make sure your water is already on the stove and it has already started boiling, so that as soon as you tie the okpa, you drop it straight away into the pot. You must not drop it aside. As soon as you tie it, drop it into the hot water, into the hot boiling water. That is how it is done. If not, your okpa will not come out perfect. After placing all of it into the hot water, cover and allow to cook for about 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, our okpa is ready. Look at how beautiful it's looking. It's already looking yummy and delicious. You know, this is so good. Now you're going to take that out of the hot water and place it on the tray for it to cool before you can now enjoy it. So guys, this is just the best way to make the perfect okpa. This is the real OKPA ENUGU. So tell me, are you going to be trying it, or have you tried it before? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you once again for joining today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please remember to like, drop a comment and share. And if you're going to be trying this, please let us know the outcome of it. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.